getting ready to start the removal of the tile. Yeah, ripped the carpet up already. Plan down here is to put down some engineered hardwoods. I went to Harbor Freight, picked up this rotary hammer. Had a coupon, ended up spending for the rotary hammer and the bits $100 total. One of the bits is a Milwaukee chisel bit I picked up at Home Depot. We're going to give this a shot, see about busting up the tile. I've got some more besides just what's right here. Get this broke up in preparation for the engineered wood. So that's what we're going to see if we can't get done. This is my assistant. So looks like we're going to make some progress with this. Going to go ahead and get a trash can in here and start cleaning up some of this and then continue on. It does seem to be coming up pretty easy with this. Though there are some spots where the thin set's staying stuck down, and I've hit it again with the little chisel bit here, and it's kind of cleaned up. We're going to go ahead and hit some more of these little tiles here and then see what we end up with. Get it all cleaned up. So right now seem to be doing pretty good with this. So going to continue on here. So just to let you know, my wife's at work. I probably should have some stuff covered up. Keep this stuff from flying all over the house, but I'll get it cleaned up here. All right, we're gonna keep busting away here and get her all cleaned up and see what we end up with. We got all the tile up, but one of the things I was noticing here, I've got some of this thin set left, and I was saying I chipped it up as I went. I was going to show you here, one of the things that I found was on this rotary hammer, there's a dial here to change the speed. On this thin set, what I've noticed, if I slow it down, I'm a lot better off with cleaning that thin set up off the floor. So I'll show you real quick here. I've got it dialed down to a little bit under 4. So you can see there, slowing it down a little bit gives me a little better control, and I'm able to kind of clean it right off there. I do have a tendency to like to run things as hard and as fast as they'll go, but I'm finding that sometimes slower is better. Well, we've got the tile up and the thin set cleaned up. Tell you the tool worked out really slick today. A lot easier than a hammer and a chisel. A couple of things that I learned today chopping this stuff up was the speed made a difference on that. When I was knocking the tile up, I was kind of going a little faster. When I cleaned that thin set up, I slowed that thing down. Seemed to have better control and a little better job of getting the stuff up off of the floor. Also, some things that I should know and I didn't think about. Tile sharp. I should have probably had some gloves on. I grabbed a hold of a couple pieces of that tile that nicked the finger. Second thing too, knee pads. I've got some knee pads around here somewhere. They'd have been nice because I was crawling all over that crap and that doesn't feel good on the knees. So this here was about 16 square feet. It took me right around an hour to chip it all up, clean it up. I did create a lot of dust. Probably trying to do something to cut down on the dust would be good. I'm going to be doing some dust in here. I've got another section to tear up down here. It's probably twice that size, so I'm guessing take twice as long. So we'll check back in with you. So feel pretty successful today with what we got done. Now it's time to relax with a glass of iced tea and see what comes next.